Guess what, YouTubers? This technique works with plastic hardware in the windows, which is more modern but breaks down in the heat. Ah, crap. Sweet. A piece of the part broke off. Then salvage that one. Oh, that was, yeah, I forgot a very important critical step. Oh well. That was the locking mechanism. Yeah, there's a little teeny tiny tab there you gotta kind of push in. I think I broke that off on the other end. One of them came out real easy. This one's fighting me. Doesn't work too good with a hand vise. Now you got to get that tab down. Let's go over to step cam. Step cam and step hammer. I did get one out without breaking it. There we go. That's reusable. God bless the tubers and the cheap bastards trying to fix their windows with used parts.